Welcome to this special Kwanzaa meditation on belly breath. Kwanzaa is a time of celebrating African heritage, community, and culture, while reflecting on the 7 principles that guide us toward a brighter future. This meditation will help you connect with the spirit of unity, purpose, and renewal that Kwanzaa represents, allowing you to embrace these values in your life and experience the peace they bring. To begin, find a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Fill your lungs fully with air. And as you exhale, release any tension or stress you might be holding on to. Let go of anything that no longer serves you. And feel yourself relaxing into this moment. With every breath, feel yourself grounding into the earth beneath you. Picture your roots growing deep into the ground, anchoring you in the present moment as you prepare to tap into the spirit of Kwanzaa. Imagine the earth's energy supporting you, nurturing you, and giving you strength. Now, begin to visualize a beautiful gathering of people, family, friends, and community surrounding you. Feel the warmth of their presence, the support they offer, and the love they share. This energy represents the principle of umoja, unity, which encourages us to strive for togetherness in our communities. As you breathe in, imagine the energy of unity flowing through your body, connecting you to others and to your purpose. Next, reflect on the principle of kujichagulia, self-determination. Take a moment to connect with your inner strength, the power you have to define your own path. Recognize that you have the ability to shape your destiny and create the life you desire. As you breathe in, feel this power grow within you. With each exhale, release any doubts or fears that may be standing in your way. Now visualize the principle of Ujima, collective work and responsibility. See yourself working together with others, contributing to a greater cause. Feel the sense of shared responsibility and the satisfaction of knowing that your actions contribute to the well-being of all. As you breathe in, embrace the energy of collaboration and service. With every exhale, feel your connection to the community and the importance of working together for the greater good. As you continue to breathe deeply, bring your focus to Ujima, cooperative economics. Visualize yourself thriving in abundance, supported by a community that works together for financial and spiritual prosperity. Imagine a flow of resources circulating, shared in generosity and care. Feel gratitude for the abundance in your life, and open your heart to more opportunities for growth. Next, reflect on Nia, purpose. Take a moment to connect with your deepest sense of purpose, the reason you are here. What is the legacy you wish to create? What values do you want to pass on to others? As you breathe in, align yourself with your purpose, feeling the clarity and direction it provides. With each exhale, let go of distractions that pull you away from your true calling. Now bring your awareness to the principle of Kumbha, creativity. Visualize the creative energy flowing through you, sparking new ideas, projects, and expressions of yourself. See yourself fully embracing your unique gifts and talents. As you breathe in, feel this creative energy rising within you. And with every exhale, allow it to flow freely, manifesting your dreams into reality. Finally, connect with the principle of Amani. Reflect on the strength of your faith in yourself, your community, and the world. Trust that everything you need is already within you. And that you have the power to manifest your dreams. As you breathe in, feel faith and trust filling your heart. With each exhale, let go of any remaining uncertainty, knowing that you are supported and loved. Sit in this powerful energy, knowing that you carry the spirit of Kwanzaa with you. Unity, purpose, creativity, and faith. Feel your heart expand with gratitude for the strength of your community and the power within you. When you're ready, take a deep breath in, holding the energy of Kwanzaa in your heart. As you exhale, release any lingering tension, feeling a sense of peace and renewal. Slowly bring gentle movement back into your body, wiggling your fingers and toes and stretching your arms. Feel the connection to the earth, to your community, and to your inner power. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying the energy of Kwanzaa and the principles of unity, purpose, and faith with you into the world. Thank you for joining me in this Kwanzaa meditation. If you enjoyed this meditation, please like, share, and subscribe to Belly Breath. For more meditations that help you connect with your community and your purpose,